Alrighty, Wardon Motor Service. Here's one of your small block Fords, 408. Description nominated, tested of our ass cast heads, custom ground hydraulic roller, custom rear sump wall pan, Edelbrock manifold, that's one of our Dyno carbs. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3400, 505 torque, peaks torque 516, peaks horsepower 571, rate at 471, sorry, rate at 450, so everything's good. What we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you now. Basically, okie doke, when you receive the engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Dyno video, engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. The engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. You got this QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this. Have a great day.